Hi, I'm Phil Gurley, Community Liaison for the East Palestine Train Derailment Response. I'm standing here at the derailment site along Taggart Road. This week we are announcing a phased reopening of Taggart Road for the public. From 7:30 p.m. until 5:30 a.m. the road will be open for the public to use. There will be safety measures in place, including flaggers, site security, and an enforced 15-mile-an-hour speed limit. On October 23rd, we're anticipating the road will enter the Phase 2 reopening, where residents will be able to use the road during the day with similar safety measures in place. There will continue to be truck traffic during that time. By the end of the year or early next year, we anticipate the road to be fully open. Also this week, Pleasant Drive will be closed for approximately 10 days for some additional excavation on the south side, as well as some sheet piling installation. After the closure, the road will be restored. During the closure, some water trucks will be rerouted down East Martin Street. If you have any questions or concerns, please stop by our Welcome Center in town.